So I bought the Craftsmen V series ratcheting wrenches, and it is the metric. You can see on the left side right there, it says millimeter, and it's the 8-piece V series. So all you gotta really do is just cut that part, swindle it out, boom, throw that out. V series, and you just open it like that. And you just checked out the wrenches. Depending on what you need, they're very light, very light. Easy to turn, really easy to turn. And you can also switch it. So you got to switch on that. So is V series, is it overpriced or is it rightly priced? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.